77 clear 2. I'm behind PD.
Are you taking over?
77 clear 2. Could you confirm if they're going to drop out right now?
Very fast and drop out.
S7, I'm en route. We start here.
And they're eastbound 91 now. They're advised to drop out.
S7, can we get updated point please from the unit? 77 clear 2. I'm primary. 91 approaching Central. Eastbound.
Alright, so you're going to be primary. Eastbound 91 from Central. You're in Suffolk?
S7, I copy that. Can we go with speed? 77 clear 2. 75 miles.
75 and traffic conditions?
77 clear 2. They're light.
And lane.
Number 2, the number 3 lane.
Between the 2 and 3. I want to have visual. Let's be secondary in a second. She'll be secondary in a second.
S7, I copy all. I'm at main.
S7 from me. 32, keep going.
310 Graves, I'll be secondary. We're going to be eastbound 91, approaching Wilmington light traffic, number 3 lane, 4 miles per hour. Are we exiting on Wilmington?
Exiting Wilmington now.
In Wilmington at 30 miles per hour, light traffic.
In Wilmington, speed to 30 light traffic.
He's close to the red, and he's rolling through the red, the northbound on Wilmington.
Can roll through the red.
Light traffic.
Light traffic.
Northbound to Walnut, 40 miles per hour.
North of Wilmington, north of Walnut, speed to 40.
For 2 lanes, light traffic.
Number 2 light traffic. Through red at Greenlee. Oh, left on Greenlee? 2E red, continuing north on Central.
Number 2 lane, oh no, number 1 lane, no traffic, 40 miles per hour.
10-4, and you guys are cutting out. What's your 1020 now?
77 clear 2, eastbound Alondra, going through Center. We're still eastbound number 2 lane, 40 miles per hour, light traffic, approaching Oleander on Alondra.
Eastbound Alondra, just west of Oleander.
It's going down for Acacia. We're southbound on Acacia from Alondra.
From Alondra.
Light traffic,
No traffic.
30 miles per hour.
No traffic at 30.
S7, I still got visual of the other PD and can we get them out, please?
Advise them to drop out again.
And we're still southbound on Acacia.
Acacia.
correction, let's stop. We have a foot bill. We have 2 foot bills. Driver, black males, 2 black males. Crossing.
Yeah.
Correction, let's stop. We have a foot bill. We have 2 foot bills. Driver, black males, 2 black males. Crossing.
Yeah. Mount your heads up!
Left.
Anybody can just on hurry to football in direction?
Cover right. Grab it. Go to my right. Open gate.
The corner?
Well, adults.
One call, Wolf, communications, hurry to football.
There. So yes, I'll respond to Oleander at N Street.
Yes, sir, Oleander and N.
That back's clear. Respond to Oleander. Nation point. Set up a perimeter.
Yeah, but you should be in route.
They might have gone into the next backyard. Nation point. 325.
For the news, please be wearing a black hoodie and a blue hoodie.
325. 335. Huh?
Where are you?
Clear too.
Okay, so she's clear when you're clear too.
Okay.
Yeah, take a seat on that.
Got it.
Were you the lead or were you the lead right?
That was primary.
Primary?
Huh? 2. 2 male occupants.